how to fix Casio calculator FX 991 ES Plus. First of all, you should to remove these screws, and you have a magnet from here, and then open it now. Then we have the problem here is this it's not good. The keyboard of 0 is not good, and the equal also. So first of all, we have to put like this aluminum from the gypsy or any put here below this button, and the other one here and 0. The problems where this keys has bad contact, you can use carbon or this aluminum chips. Then you can also increase the thickness using paper here, because we have the problem here mainly in 0 and equals. And you see that this heavy button, heavy push. So here we put this paper as a thickness, and then close the calculator. Okay. Now you can test it. Good 0 now. 6 plus 3 equals